headlines are as follows. Started school news. A debate competition from class 6 to 8 held on 20 July in Raj English School. A UT first examination from class PG to class 12th commencing from 23rd of July. CBSE related news. CBSE warns against fake syllabus sample question paper for 2024-25 session. CBSE detect huge difference in theory and practical marks as school review assessment procedure. National news. Kejriwal resorting to wild full low calories intake in jail. Delhi LG in letter. ED arrests Haryana Congress MLA Surinder Panwar in mining case. International news. 13 Palestinians killed in central Gaza strike as ceasefire talks between Israel and Hamas grinds. 12 dead and over 60 missing in bridge collapse flash flood in China. Entertainment news. Shabanaaz Azmi's international show Hello cancelled after 2 seasons. Kangana Ranaut slams Sonu Sood for comparing food vendors splitting customers' wood to Shabri's Ramayan episode. Security concern loom as ICC monitored Bangladesh unrest ahead of Women's T20 World Cup. Jamshedpur IFC certain random for next ISL session. Education news. UPSC Chairman Manoj Soni confirmed resignation. NEET UG 2024 NTA release city-wise central-wise result for all candidates. Other news. Vicky Kaushal and Tripti Dimri film performed well open at nearly 9 crore. Karnataka family find 12-foot king cobra in garden, panic ensues. Let's see headlines in detail. School news. The annual debate competition from class 6 to 8 was held in Raj English School 20 July in which 4 houses, the Peace House won the competition. The unit first test examination from class PG to class 12th is commencing from 23rd of July. CBSE related news. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has issued an advisory cautioning student and parent regarding misleading information about the syllabus, resource and sample question paper from the 2024-25 session. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has taken a serious view of the difference in theory practical marks of students in past years. News. The LG in a letter to Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar directed that a report Superintendent Prison regarding the health status of Mr. Kejriwal to allege that there were several instances of willful low calories intake by the CM. The Enforced Director ED has arrested Haryana Congress MLA Surinder Panwar in an illegal mining linked money laundering case, official source said on Saturday. International news. At least 13 people were killed in 3 Israel air strikes that hit refugee camps in central Gaza overnight into Saturday. According to the Palestinian health official case, fire talks into Syria appear to make progress. At least 12 people were killed in a bridge collapse and more than 60 others went missing in a flood in China, Shaanxi and Sichuan provinces, officials said on Saturday. Entertainment news. Shabanaaz Azmi's international military science fiction series Hello has been cancelled after its first 2 series. The third installment will not be a part of Paramount Plus family despite 2 successful seasons. Actor Sonu Sood has been drawing air from social media after he defended a food vendor's action on splitting on his customers' food. Now, actor-politician Kangana Ranaut has also called him out, slamming him for his views. Sports news. The International Cricket Council ICC has stated that it is closely monitoring the security situation in Bangladesh, the host nation for the upcoming Women's T20 World Cup scheduled for the latter this year in October. Proyan Helder on Friday extended his stay at Jamshedpur FC until the end of 2024-25 session. The midfielder played a pivotal role when JFC won the Shield under Woven Seoul and has since been a constant performer for the side. Education news. Union Public Service Commission UPSC Chairman Dr. Manoj Soni has resigned from the top post 5 years before the tenure that would end in 2029, cited personal issues. The National Testing Agency (NTA) today's July 20 released the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test Upgradation (NEET UG 2024) result for all the student news. A huge 12-foot king cobra was rescued after its presence caused panic in Karnataka Agumbe village earlier this week. A video of the rescue was shared on Instagram by Ajay Giri, field director at Agumbe Rainforest Research Station AARR. Bad news box office collection day 1. The Anand Tiwari directed film had a decent opening in theatre across India. Film earned nearly 10 crore on Friday. Bad News is a co-produced by Anand, hero Yash Johar, Karan Johar, Apurna Mehta and Amrita Pal Singh Brinda. That's all for today. Thank you and stay tuned with RS News channel.